Welcome back to our channel, where today we dive into the recent wave of violent racist attacks across multiple British cities, leaving the UK government scrambling to address the worst disorder in over a decade. Over the weekend, far-right agitators set fire to hotels housing asylum seekers in two cities, trapping terrified residents inside and clashing violently with police. The unrest began after an anti-immigrant misinformation campaign stoked outrage over a tragic stabbing in Southport, where 3 children lost their lives. Prime Minister Keir Starmer has labeled the events as organized violent thuggery, emphasizing that such actions have no place on the streets or online. The protests, initially organized as anti-immigration marches on platforms like X, WhatsApp, and Telegram, quickly devolved into widespread violence across cities in the Midlands and Northern England. With over 370 arrests made and many more suspects to be identified using facial recognition technology, the authorities are working tirelessly to bring the perpetrators to justice. The role of social media in fueling these riots has come under scrutiny, with platforms like X facing criticism for allowing far-right extremists to spread dangerous propaganda. As the new government grapples with this crisis, Prime Minister Starmer's handling of the situation will be closely watched, especially given the challenges posed by an overburdened public service system. As Britain faces this unprecedented wave of violence, the nation looks to its leaders for swift and decisive action to restore peace and security. The coming weeks will be critical as the government and law enforcement agencies work to prevent further outbreaks and address the underlying issues fueling the unrest. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest news